it's Alex from Laughing Place, and today we are unboxing Marvel Studios' Avengers: Infinity War. This is the Blu-ray Digital HD combo pack, and as you can see, Disney's multi-screen edition branding has made its way, unfortunately, to the Marvel Cinematic Universe. It's such an eyesore. The cover does have hollow foil sheen, and it is embossed, so it does make for quite an appealing slipcover, as you can see. There is a sticker on it that advertises over 2 hours of bonus features, including deleted scenes and a gag reel, plus an exclusive digital bonus offer. We'll find out more about that. And then the spine has two options. You can have Steve Rogers, Chris Evans, or you can do Tony Stark. And so you've got basically two options if you get the slipcover. And then on the back, there's some, obviously, pictures from the film. But most important of all is the listing of bonus features, introductions by the directors, plus lastly listed is the commentary track, and then quite a few different featurettes. I'm kind of excited for the ones that are going to explore the battles of Wakanda and Titan, and then obviously deleted scenes. It'll be interesting to see what didn't make the cut. I don't doubt that we've only probably gotten a few of the deleted scenes that exist, but it'll still be neat to see them anyway. Underneath, it does just recreate all the artwork. Underneath in the spine, it only gives you Steve Rogers as an option, and then the back recreates that. So let's take a look and see what's inside. Now inside there is an insert, and this is for your Movies Anywhere digital copy. It does give you a little more bonus feature or information about the exclusive digital bonus offer, which is a roundtable with some of the directors of the other Marvel Cinematic Universe films, talking about how it's all connected and how they create that story as a group through separate films. The disc, unfortunately, is just boring blue, no disc art here. The 4K discs usually have disc art for the Marvel releases. And then this is the back of your Movies Anywhere digital copy. There's also a flyer in here for the Disney Movie Club, and they do have a Marvel-themed version that shows you a couple of their movies. On the back side, it does show the Disney movies that the Disney Movie Club sells. So great way to quickly build your Blu-ray collection and do so cost-effectively if you were looking to add a bunch of Disney movies to your collection. Now, the digital copy of the Avengers: Infinity War does come out July 31st, which is tonight/tomorrow, depending on when you're watching this. And so you can add this to your collection right away if you wanted to and get all of the bonus features that are going to be part of this set. Or if you wait, I think it's just one additional week, you can pick up the Blu-ray digital copy combo pack, also available as a 4K Blu-ray digital combo pack, and then I'm sure there's a DVD only out there because someone's buying those. But we'll do a full review on laughingplace.com, so be sure to check back. We'll review the digital copy. We'll also review the full Blu-ray specs, so we'll give you all that information over there, and we hope you enjoyed this boxing video. If you did, give us a like, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.